Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to butt join self-lock planks. This can be done with either primed or natural. To start with, you must have your vapor permeable sarking, your maximum 600 stud space, and of course your 100mm above sealed ground. To do the butt join, obviously you need studs, so you have to have a minimum 90 by 45, or if it is smaller, please do a double joint with your stud. Run some damp-proof course down the length of your joint. You can put a packer in to create your 3mm gap, which is required. But what you also need is some sealant on the back of the board. So I'll call Matt in now and explain how that happens. So that just goes down about 20mm from the edge, would be on both sides of your plank. That would then go straight up on the wall and you would fix it off. Being the natural that we've got here on the wall, you definitely would be using the stainless steel brads.